Magandang hapon po ng September 24, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng September 24, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, September 24, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 24, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 196 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 71 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 6 million pesos for Tuesday, September 24, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for September 24, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.